Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have my tanning routine. I watch these videos quite often and I thought I would share my own because I feel like I finally got the routine that I love and I'm going to stick with. I found like some great products and I just love fake tan. I've been through a lot, like I've tried so many. I do love a good fake tan session. As much effort as it is, it's literally confidence in a bottle. I don't know what it is about fake tan that just makes me look so much better. I just feel like I need to show you my tanning routine. Before we do get into the video, I would just like to say that these products were kindly gifted by St Tropez. I know, crazy, like I feel like it's one of the most well-known tanning brands. You can literally buy it anywhere. I feel like they have a really good reputation as well. Like I know so many people who swear by the products. I've actually tried all of these products. I'm not just doing it because they were gifted. These are actually like staple products now in my tanning routine. Like I'm so obsessed. I'm going to show you everything I use, my tips and tricks, and yeah, let's go on to the video. So first we're going to start with the night before tanning. I feel like this is such a crucial day to prep the skin. So exfoliate. We all know when you exfoliate the tan goes on better. You're so much better to do this the day before you tan, just to get rid of any like old fake tan or dead skin cells. I didn't actually have fake tan on when I filmed the clips, so I did just use like a random exfoliator. The little scrub ones are great, and I feel like if you use them on dry skin with like a little, what are they called, loofahs, yeah, loofahs, or like the exfoliating gloves, they exfoliate your skin so well. But I've recently been introduced to the fake tan remover. This is the first one I've ever tried and honestly it's so good. It makes removing tan so much easier. You literally just put it on your skin, wait a few minutes and like scrub it or wash it off. It helps so much with getting your tan off. I remember the days I used to get myself like red raw in pain trying to scrub off tiger bread tan. No more. This is literally a mousse. It's weird how it works, but if you want an easier way to get your tan off, then here's your product. I'll link everything below, by the way. We prep the skin, we exfoliate, wash as normal, and also this is the day that I will shave, the day before tanning. I feel like if you do it on the day of tanning, I get like weird black dots. Don't know if anyone else does, but yeah, anyway, I find that if you shave the day before and like the day after or whatever, it works so much better. When I'm out the shower, I'll moisturize like as thick as possible to make sure my skin is ready for the tan. Like I am soft and moisturized. Moving on to the day of tanning. I always tan at night and sleep in the tan and leave it on for like 24 hours just so it's like a really nice dark colour. Shower as normal. I would say have like a quickish shower and don't have it too hot because you don't want your pores to open up too much. I'll hop out the shower, use something like really thick and moisturising. Anyway, something moisturising, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then when I am waiting for the moisturiser to set, I will fake tan my face. We don't just use any random fake tan for our face. Let me introduce you to this. So this is a tanning mist for your face. I've never used a facial mist that is so like fine. Like the spray on this is so good. Like you're not going to come out with patchiness because it sprays so evenly. I would just like to say the smell of this is amazing. I think it's tropical scented. Honestly, it's so nice. Reminds me of like holiday when you spray your face. Use a few spritz of that and then let that set in overnight as well. Moisturise before applying this and then put it on. And this does go to like a similar colour of the fake tan, which is great. So we're matching. As you'll see, I also just quickly wipe my eyebrows just in case any of it sticks to my eyebrows. Don't want to wake up with orange eyebrows. Really been loving this at the moment. It's like the most perfect summer essential, I feel like. Also, I feel like I look so much better with a tanned face. Don't know what that is. I feel like it's so much easier to wear no makeup when I've got a tanned face. This will be getting a lot more use. Now for the actual tanning. This is what the tan came in. So we love that for the packaging, and it came with this fake tan mitt as well. Very cute. Here is the tan that I use. It's the Ashley Graham collab. I believe she's a model. It's like a whipped foamy mousse, as you'll be able to see. Like you spray it onto the mitt and it just expands. How cute is this little mitt? This is the one that I've been loving at the minute. This is like the softest fake tan mitt I've ever used. It's so good. I love a good soft fake tan mitt. I feel like it goes on so much more evenly. You'll probably be able to see in the clips that I am already a little bit tanned, but the tan is so uneven, and obviously it's not as sun-kissed as this tan. Also with this tan you do only need one layer. I usually do 2 layers on my chest just because it don't really take to the tan as well. You actually find that this applies so evenly everywhere. So yeah, you only need 1 layer, so you don't need to stand about for ages waiting for it to dry as well, which is just a huge bonus. So give it a good shake, and then I'll use a big blob on arms, stomach, back, chest. I usually do 2 just in case, and then on my legs I'll use like 1.5 because sometimes it won't stay as much on my legs as well. I will blend this for a long time just to make sure it's as even as possible. Something else that I will actually say about this tan is it smells so nice. I've had tans before that are apparently scented and they just smell disgusting. This has like a really slight kind of a tropical scent again. It's not strong at all, like you don't walk around and smell yourself all night, which sometimes I find is just so off-putting. I would probably go as far to say as well, like, this is the best smelling tan that I've used. I'm just sick of smelling like gone off biscuits. This one dries really quickly as well, which is great because I am so impatient. The amount of times I've walked downstairs too quickly and I've got like white patches everywhere. I'm too impatient just to be standing like that in my room. So yeah, that's another very good thing about this tan. You can actually leave it on for as little as an hour, which is amazing. It develops over 4 to 8 hours as well, but I just like to be extra and leave it on for a whole day. Obviously you can wash off to whatever shade you like best, but when I do leave it on for a good 24 hours, I feel like not much of the colour washes off, which is great because I do like to be pretty dark. As you can see, it does look very natural. I think I fake tanned on Tuesday and this is how it's looking. It's worn off so easily, like we've got no strange patches. Look at my hands, like we're not patchy at all. It's worn off so well. It looks really natural. People have actually asked me if my tan is real because it is just such an amazing colour. My face looks really pale today because I've got no foundation on, so just ignore that. The rest of me is still very well tanned and still so even. We love it. So yeah, that's the tanning routine. So that is everything that I use for my tanning routine. Thank you so much to St Tropez for collaborating with me on this video. Honestly, I was so excited when I seen the email because I love trying fake tans. I feel like it's such a risk as well, spending your money on fake tans, because they can be pretty pricey. So I do feel like it's a risk sometimes. So as soon as they asked if they could send me these products, I was like, hell yeah. I'm still glowing and we're like 5 days later, so that is amazing. Definitely recommend these products. I will link below all of the places where you can shop them. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure you do subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.